Hello, everyone. So it has been a minute, and this is just going to be a different video than my videos usually are on this channel. And that's just because I have not prepared for this video at all. I am not wearing makeup. My hair is wet. This is like completely raw and honest, just talk time about what has happened and what has transpired over the last year. And more importantly, over the last 2 months. So, if you've been watching this channel for a while, this is my candle making channel, Beeswax and Wicks. And uh, it started out just, making videos about candle making. And I think when I started this channel in January, I had such like big aspirations for this channel. And it's always good to have big aspirations, but just life happened. And I wanted to originally make a channel that would grow my income and that would just take off. And it was paired with my website, beeswaxandwicks.com. And as many of you know and have been commenting, it's not working anymore. The website itself is not working anymore. And that's because it got deleted. So it got deleted. My website got deleted. It's not there anymore. And all of the content that was on it is just gone. And it's it's gone. And I'm so sorry for that because I know a lot of you have been asking about the recipes and all of the different like information I had on there, and it was a lot of really good information, but it got deleted and there's no way for me to get it back. My host just pulled the plug on it, and it's just because I didn't pay the bill for it. And it's just because I forgot to pay the bill for it, and so the website is gone now. And yeah, I don't know. I cried a lot about it. And so it wasn't an intentional thing. It wasn't an intentional getting rid of the blog. It wasn't an intentional just like I don't want to do this anymore. It was just we have been going through a financial crisis kind of. I don't want to say crisis, but it feels like the only appropriate word. And we've just been cutting a lot of stuff out, and just with the hecticness of getting a new job. At one point, like within the last 2 months, I've had two jobs, like actual like physical going somewhere jobs, not just my like online presence jobs. And because of that, it got swept under the rug and forgotten about. And after like a week or 2 weeks or something like that, I got an email. I never read it, but I guess I had gotten an email that said that all of my backups would be deleted after a certain amount of time. And by the time I saw the email, that time had passed. And so my site's gone now. But it's okay because I think in a way it was a good thing. Like that may seem strange and like completely backwards, but I think in a way my website for Beeswax and Wicks getting deleted was necessary. Or like I think that maybe it was God's way of telling me that it's not it's not working. And part of that is I stopped writing on it. I wrote for like 4 months straight. I wrote 60 articles, like full fleshed out articles, and they were really good. And because I have gotten so good at blogging since 2018 when I started my first blog, and just so yeah, just from January to like March or April, there was way too little time to write 60 blog posts, and I just burnt myself out. And the real reason that I got burnt out is just because I don't love writing. I I love filmmaking and I love drawing and I love creating things and crafting and just making stuff, and like taking pictures, but the act of writing and just like plotting out the articles and putting them together, and I've just been doing it for so long, and it wasn't monetized. Like my website wasn't monetized. It was making a little bit of Amazon affiliate revenue from just you guys ordering like Wix and stuff through Amazon through my site. But I mean, it was like maybe $20 a month or something like that. So it wasn't like significant. It wasn't enough to pay for the hosting. And so, yeah, but the reason that I think that maybe it was a good thing that my website got deleted was because I think I am in a time of transition. Not only is my life just feel like it's in transition right now with like jobs outside of here and just changing what I'm wanting to do, but like I sold my health and wellness blog that I started in 2018. I sold that in July. And once I sold that, I just felt like maybe I'm not a blogger anymore. And I think I need to be okay with that. And I think I am okay with that. I want to be a YouTuber and I want to be on Instagram and I want to, more than anything, more than anything, I want to have land and I want to do like holistic homesteading, living. I want to eat well and I want to make things for my family. I want to have more kids. I want to like learn how to make things like fermented foods and soap and like maybe different kinds of candles. And so if you guys are cool with sticking with me through this discovery type journey, the videos may start looking a little bit different. And I am still going to keep making candle videos, and I'm going to try to replace the information that was on my website so that you guys have the recipes and everything. And it may just be that those recipes are like posted on the screen and then in the description instead of having an external site to go to. And hi, Sakura. It's my kitty cat. He just jumped up here. Yeah, so if you guys want to stick with me, I'm going to change it to a candle playlist instead and have candles as a playlist on this video instead of the main focus of this video. I want to do more like how to ferment your own pickles at home and how to make soap from goat's milk, or like how to use essential oils to make room sprays, and like a whole bunch of other different stuff, like how to raise chickens. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I feel like I'm in this just different area of life now where I just need to do more than one thing. And so I would love for you guys to stick around for that. I know that there is a lot of you here on this channel watching now, and Sakura. And I would love to have you guys stick around with me through that journey and hopefully learn some really cool stuff along the way. So this was a really long-winded video and just kind of an update more than anything, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being with me through my just MIA season of not posting anything on here and the website not being up. And I've been doing my best to like reply to comments and all that, but I've just needed the break and the time to just get everything in my life settled right now. So just keep watching and keep me in your prayers. And if you believe in prayer, please keep me in your prayers. I'm kind of in need of it right now, just through this season. So thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I guess I will see you in the next one. Bye.